So, hey guys, this is Twinsuperl, and today we're doing so excited and show my favorite 3D printed 3D printer. You need to have it?
Yeah.
So he's playing Minecraft.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, come here.
What? So, okay, so look at this. Look at that. He says, "Hello 3D." This is a enter 3. And say poker cards. Oh no, not poker cards. You're wrong. You're saying wrong. Okay, so he's got. Alright, so okay. Hold on, he's got. Alright. Alright. So Omar's got the Grogu. And it's done. And look at this. Twinsuperl fidget spinners. It's not done yet. Really not done yet. So I'll go into this tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Okay, so you see a filament. 3D printed filament. Hello 3D. So anything you got?
Yeah, I'm just playing Minecraft.
You're playing Minecraft.
Yeah, I'm just playing Minecraft multiplayer. I'm playing Pet Wars.
So you Nintendo Switch. Hey, look at this. Look at another one. So in the end, it's broken. It broke. And it's brand new. Alright, you see, look at this. A 3D printer. And the brand new 3D printer, Enter 3. Okay.
Come, show it. Show.
And this. Right here. Where's the line? There's a scoop. This is scoop. That's okay. So you got. Alright, and it's just fidget spinners. And we're going to Twinsuperl, we're going to fidget spinners. And you need some bearing. Fidget spinners. It happened you sang it up in you, didn't you?
Yeah.
You sang up in you, didn't you?
Look, Michelle, look.
Oh, okay. Don't need it closer.
Look, I'm using the killet. Wait. Just wait. I'm just in the killet.
Oh, you kill it?
Yeah.
The Tom and Jerry?
No. It's in the killet in the blue one.
Oh.
Just right.
Oh, yeah, Minecraft?
Yeah, the Minecraft one.
Okay. So we're getting this one. Okay, so the 3D printer filament, and you put in the red one, and it's an Enter 3 in your 3D printer, and you're gonna do fidget spinners. All right, and this goes in the bearing. So and you need your fidget spinners bearing, and yeah, let's go to the store. Alright, so see you next time. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. So please subscribe to Twinsuperl. Click like. And now please thumbs up with the description down below. And then hit the subscribe. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. Subscribers, see you next time. Bye. See you later.